Welcome to Stevie's Kitchen. I got a healthy meal prep, or if you want to use it as a dinner idea, but I'm making chicken fajitas. Tune in. I have 2.5 pounds of chicken breast that I've thinly sliced in here, and then we're just going to add a little bit of oil to this. Just enough to cover all our chicken. I'm going to mix this all at the end, so don't worry, it's going to look like a mess. And then so I'm going to get started with my fajita seasoning. I got a teaspoon and a half of smoked paprika. All these are going to be a teaspoon and a half. Garlic powder. Oregano. Chili powder. Cumin. I'm actually only going to do a teaspoon of chili flakes. Get our salt and pepper going. I got 2 hands. Add in our salt. All right. So now we're just going to put our glove on and massage all these seasonings in together. I see. Can you hear me, buddy? Yeah. Yeah. You going to get an executive producer credit on this one?
Yeah.
Hi, buddy. What do you need me to do right now?
I'm putting my headphones.
I see you're putting your headphones on, but what do you need Daddy to do? You need Daddy to do a different type of stance for you?
Yeah.
How you want me to stand? Like this? And massage the chicken like this? All right. What do you need me to do next?
Bow, bow, bow.
Bounce the chicken?
Yeah.
Pow, pow, pow. Like this. See, this is protein, buddy. This is how you get big and strong, right?
Yeah.
Show off that muscle.
And I wasn't saying, and I wasn't,
And cut.
cut.
There we go.
This week
On
on
Stevie's Kitchen.
Stevie's Kitchen.
There we go. So I got a nice hot cast iron skillet. As you can see, it's smoking right now, and that's okay. I just put a little bit of oil in here. But you want this smoke because I'm trying to get a nice, good char on top of this chicken. Makes for the perfect fajita that way. So now we're getting our last little bit of chicken off. Got it tucked over here, keeping it nice and warm. And then why this pot still has a little bit of the seasoning on the bottom of it, and it's still hot, we're gonna take our bell peppers, throw them in right away. Get a little bit of that flavor from the seasoning and the chicken that was in there. We're gonna put, excuse me, this smoke getting to me. Give me a second. So now we got our bell peppers in here. We're gonna let these go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just kind of let them soften up a little bit. And then we're gonna add our seasoning. And then we're gonna put the onions in there. We don't need the onions in there that long, but we just want everything nice and soft. But we want the bell peppers to still have a little bit of crisp to them. All right, so now we're just gonna add a little bit of the seasoning, not as much as we put on the chicken, but we're just gonna put a little bit on because we wanna make sure that flavor goes through everything. So I got my garlic powder, about half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of oregano, chili powder, and smoked paprika. Get a little bit of pepper, sorry. And a little pinch of salt. So I'm gonna get one more stir on this. Get that all mixed together. And then now, time for our onions. We're gonna let this go for another 2 to 3 minutes, and they'll be ready for fajita night. You can serve this with tortillas. I'm actually gonna have mine over rice, and that's all you really need.
Daddy, why are you making?
All right, now for the taste test. Let's get in here. I'm gonna try to figure out how to get all of this in one bite. Get a little chicken cut, bell pepper cut, and rice and onion. All right, boom. Boom. Nope, missed it. Got it. Got it. Got it. With a scoop of rice. Nope, missed my rice.
I just dropped something on the floor.
Exactly what I'm looking for. The the chicken's still juicy with great flavor. Still got that crisp in my bell peppers over the nice rice. It's not too spicy. This is gonna win anytime. You don't wanna miss this.